Hello cutie, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a little follow along heels sequence. Obviously you can also do this without heels if you want to practice it first, but let's just jump right into it. I hope you really like this one. If you want to see more tutorials, make sure to subscribe and put your notifications on so you never miss anything. Actually, we're starting this way. So you have your legs, it's only 2 times 8. You have your legs a little bit further than hip distance apart. And we're starting to the right. So right diagonal with our chest going to the right diagonal and our hips facing the same way. So cha, cha. It's kind of like a figure 8 there. So you bring your weight to the right and then to the left. Yes? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So sorry, that's the first. You have 2 counts for each move. When you do that, your hands are gonna caress your body coming up. Yes, however you are comfortable with it. Obviously, you can also touch the side. It's your body touch, whatever. Yes. So we go pum and pum. Yes. When you move from side to side and your weight comes off of the leg that it comes off of, in this case our left, make sure to really elongate that leg. I know I talk about this a lot, but I think it's really important because it makes your movements look bigger and your presence more magnetic. People will look at you when your body's like cha, cha, fully charged. Yeah. So make sure to really think about those toes. Don't have them like hanging here and here. The toes are still in the picture, right? Even when you're moving away from them. So really try to point them, or at least engage them. I'm okay with you having your legs a little bit bent when your weight is not on there, but you can also keep it straight, however you think. It looks really nice on you, right? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we swing our hips from right to left. Let me show you from the back actually. So we did ta, 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 ta. We swing from right to left and our arms come from here down in between the legs on the thighs. Okay, so either here or on the thighs or on the puss, whatever you want. It is yours. You can touch it. Yeah. So we go from right to left. You can really exaggerate it here a little bit if you have the balance for it, okay? So have your feet nicely planted and you can either make it like this or you can really push it back and have your upper body to the front, okay? So chung, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see how my weight is on the left? That's very important because we're gonna step on our right, and if we have weight on our right, that's not gonna happen, okay? So weight on our left, our arm is leading us. We go ta and step, and you look with your head, okay? So we are here, bum, and step, 8. Then we bring our hands on our bum, caress your legs all the way down. You can either sit on your right or your left, I don't really care. And then we're popping up twice. So this is a 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you bounce up twice, then you come up, bring your knees together when you come up, caress your legs again, you come up, and you step left, right. Yes? And that's the end. Let's go over it again on counts real slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, so I want a little bit of sass there. Let's do it one more time. And then class dismissed. I hope you liked this little follow along heels sequence. You can do this to any song if you want, just keep the counts in mind. It's just practicing the movements and the weight shifts that's really important here, okay? Let's go over it one more time and then we're done. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I hope that worked out for you and I hope to see you back for a next tutorial next week. If you really liked this follow along heels choreo, also keep in mind that I have an online membership where you can watch and learn all my online or all my heels tutorials and also twerk tutorials. You get 3 new tutorials every month. So if you want to learn more, if you want to do more of my choreos, check it out. It's in the description. Bye.